Good morning everyone. I am Saksham from BCA batch 1 semester 2 and I am here to discuss the topic of page replacement. I am going to solve it using MRU Page Replacement policy. Here is the memory table with the frame size of 4. Here is the reference string which is 321 34162 4342. So first here 3 is not present, so we will add 3 in the memory table. Here page fault will occur. Here 2 is not present, so we will add 2. Again page fault will occur. 1 is also not present, and we will add 1. Again page fault will occur. Here 3 is already present, so there will be no page fault. Here 4 is not present, so we will add 4 in the memory table and a page fault will occur. And 3, 2, 1, 4. Here 1 is already present, so page fault will not occur. 3, 2, 1, 4. Here 6 is not present, so we are using MRU. So we will use the most recently one. The most recently used is 1, so we will cut the 1 and it will be replaced by 6. So 3, 2, 6, 4. Here 2 is already present, so there will be no page fault. Here will be page fault. 3, 2, 6, 4. There will be no page fault as 4 is already present. 3, 2, 6, 4. 3 is already present, so no page fault. 3, 2, 6, 4. Here also 4 is already present. 3, 2, 6, 4. Here also 2 is already present. So there are a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 page faults. That's all. Thank you.